this is what we have. Okay. Okay, so now that I cut this, I just want to make sure that I smush it down. I don't want to have any pieces in here that are going to make it difficult or catch on things. So that looks good. I can't feel anything. Okay, so the next step is to grab a hold of my earring hoop or loop or whatever you want to call it. And I will turn this to the right. Have a look at this earring, see which way I want it to go. And I know there's a flaw on the back of this bead, so I'm going to, whoops, have a look, and I'm going to put it this way. Well, it doesn't really matter because it'll swivel. And then you turn this back. And as simple as that. I'm going to make sure these are nice and snug. So they're wiggling around a little bit. And there you go. There's your earrings. Okay. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you liked this little video. I know it was quick, but I just wanted to show you how to make these little earrings. Please give us a thumbs up and share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell to see my latest videos at County Driven Creations. It's free, and I hope you'll come back and see more. You take care, keep safe, and keep well. Bye for now.